You are not looking at an alien craft. This is the T-23D anti-gravity aircraft developed by the United States. Its development took place at the well-known Area 51. The U.S. has consistently denied the existence of such an aircraft, yet there have been numerous eyewitness reports. This mysterious triangular aircraft was even once believed to be of extraterrestrial origin. According to available information, the aircraft can counteract 89% of Earth's gravity, allowing it to effortlessly reach Mach 9 and possess full stealth capability. In general, the basic principle of anti-gravity propulsion is to use an inverse gravitational field generated by the vehicle itself to cancel or shield external gravitational fields in order to produce thrust. In the video, you can see this aircraft employs a triangular wing design, is approximately 20 meters long and about 6 meters tall,